Today's lesson is going to be on rates and unit rates. First, we need to define what a rate is. A rate is a ratio that compares quantities of two different units. For example, 725 miles over 2 days is a rate because it compares two different quantities. Miles is one quantity and days is another quantity. So they're two different things. Miles is a measure of distance, days is a measure of time. Now let's look at a unit rate. A unit rate compares a quantity with 1 unit of another quantity. That means the number 1 will be in the denominator. Here are a couple of examples of unit rates. $3 for 1 pound, or we can say 55 miles in 1 hour. A lot of times we'll just say this as miles per hour or $3 per pound. But if you notice, it's for 1 pound or 1 hour. So 1 unit of quantity, which is in the denominator. Okay, so now let's look at the example. Is the ratio 700 words for 3 pages a rate? And if it is, why? Or if it isn't, why not? Yes, it is a rate. And it's a rate because we're comparing two different quantities. We're comparing words and we're comparing pages. Is this ratio, 700 words for 3 pages, a unit rate? Why or why not? No, it's not a unit rate because we are not comparing to 1 page. Okay, so if it said 700 words in 1 page, then it would be a unit rate. But this is not a unit rate because we're comparing 3 pages. Here's your first got it problem. You will need to write this problem down on your notes. You will have 3 got it problems, and they are your homework problems to bring back to school tomorrow to discuss in class. Is the ratio listed below a rate? 5 circles to 3 circles. You need to tell me if it's a rate. If it is, why? If it isn't, why not? Got it question number 2. Again, write this on your notes as part of your homework and bring it back to school tomorrow with the answer. Is the rate a unit rate? Why or why not? 20 students to 5 groups. Got it question number 3. Is this rate a unit rate? Why or why not? 25 miles per gallon. Okay, those are the 3 got it problems that I want you to answer. Make sure you've written your answers down and bring them back to school tomorrow and we'll review them. Make sure you have also filled in your definitions for rates and unit rates. I'll be checking your notes and homework tomorrow when you come into class.